Tuesday 17th of March 2020 at 12:22 p.m. Donald Trump tweeted on his Twitter account, @RealDonaldTrump.
Cuomo wants all states to be treated the same. But all states aren't the same. Some are being hit hard by the Chinese virus, some are being hit practically not at all. New York is a very big hotspot. West Virginia has, thus far, 0 cases. Andrew, K.
Subscribe to our channel and don't miss out on any tweets by Donald Trump. Right here on YouTube. Leave a comment what you think about this tweet.